Breaking news, my people. The detained Nans president, Atiku Isah, have sued President son Seyi Tinubu, DSS and NTA. But the NTA bosses over an alleged abduction, torture, and seeks almost 38.3 billion naira in damages. No be small thing, my correct people. I don't know if you guys remember this particular story. It's also in this channel when this Nans president accused Seyi Tinubu of abducting him, of kidnapping. According to him, he alleged that his continued detention, media defamation, and alleged abuse by state actors were orchestrated to silence his voice and activism. Comrade Atiku Abubakar Isah, the president of the National Association of Nigerian Students, has filed a suit at the Federal High Court in Abuja to enforce his fundamental human rights. The case, filed on May 14, 2025, and marked suit number FHC/ABJ/CS/966/2025, lists the director of the Directorate of State Security (DSS), the director of the Nigerian Television Authority (NTA), and Mr. Seyi Tinubu as the first and third respondents respectively. So the application filed by his legal counsel Ugweze 1 Oduegbe and Aruo Ifegbo of Ajunwa and Co. was brought pursuant while they say Villa Bicycle to the provisions of the Fundamental Rights Enforcement Procedure Rules 2009, Chapter IV of the 1999 Constitution as amended in 2011, and the African Charter on Human and People's Rights Ratification and Enforcement Act 2004. The Nans president requests the court to issue an order enforcing his rights, citing alleged violations by the named respondents. He alleged that his continued detention, media defamation, and alleged abuse by state actors were orchestrated to silence his voice and activism. In the suit, Comrade Isah is demanding a total of 32,870 million naira as general damages for the alleged violation of his constitutional rights. Hey, I don't know if you guys remember this. Few months ago, this man said that President Tinubu's son, known as Seyi Tinubu, kidnapped him. Not just only kidnapping him, he kidnapped him, tortured him. The man even posted pictures and videos of, his torture experience and the wounds he has on his body. He's also seeking a declaration that his alleged brutal beating and stabbing with a knife, leading to severe blood loss, physical pain, and trauma amount to inhuman and degrading treatment in violation of Section 34 of the 1999 Constitution and Articles 5 and 16 of the African Charter on Human and People's Rights. So, my correct people, in that previous post made by this man where he alleged that Seyi Tinubu kidnapped and tortured him, he equally posted the videos and pictures of his, of his injury. I think I posted it's on this channel. If you scroll down, you will see it. Yes, it's on this channel. The Nans president accused President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's son, Seyi Tinubu, of abduction and kidnapping and torture. So after said and done, the guy now, Seyi Tinubu said that he did not know this guy, that he have not seen him before. So after said and done, this guy now come out to say that he is sorry for accusing Seyi Tinubu this and that. So people are saying that this guy is under duress, that this thing is saying they doesn't think that this guy come out to say this under his rightful sense. Maybe he was under duress or at a gunpoint to say that, to make that particular statement. So now this guy is now coming back to, he has sued Seyi Tinubu, DSS, and the NTA for torture, unlawful detention, and violation of his human rights. My people, I see they hot. Even very dark man no agree this time around. He have dragged Seyi Tinubu, in fact, to the mud. He said this time around, Seyi Tinubu, is either you agree or we agree for you. You know, be smart in my people. Them make una watch very dark man reaction because towards this particular news and waiting he talk concerning this, and other Nigerians reaction because of this kind of news. I beg, if you finish watching, never subscribe. Wait till you wait for subscription and face make you watch our updates. Feel free to drop your opinion. It matters for this particular thing. Any news where you want will be say you suppose give one particular opinion, something where you suppose talk, say either this news, say this person waiting that they talk, this Seyi Tinubu, say now wait till you do, I wait till you no do. Feel free to drop it in the comment section, I beg.
All right, so Seyi Tinubu, there's something you need to make clear. If anybody no go talk about this thing, me I go still talk about them because it's not clear. Now, first things first, this particular guy came to allege, say una kidnap him, una carry and go beat him alongside NTA director, according to him. He say SSA to education, he called SSA. He also called the SA to the Minister of Defense. Now, after that, I go sell, I come back. When I go sell, I come back. On that same day, when they release me, now that same day, I see for news say the guy tender apology to Seyi Tinubu, say he lied. Few days ago, the guy, they say he sue Seyi Tinubu. I saw it on the news again. So allegedly. Then today, then yesterday, I see on the news, say DSS pick the guy. Again, I see today say, allegedly, after getting thoroughly beaten up by Seyi Tinubu's thug, this guy had a gun planted on him by the thug, and the police surprise guards immediately arrived and arrested him. Now, he's about to be charged for illegal possession of firearms. Now, the question is this. When the allegation was made against the president's son, Seyi Tinubu, I expected the police to do a thorough investigation on the case. But apparently, like I said, the police even keep quiet. Do you understand? The police didn't do any investigation. Nobody did any investigation. I come out from cell. They say the guy don't apologize. So me, I feel say, okay, maybe the guy hit it for stone. Maybe now he make it talk with he talk. But when the guy came back out to come and sue Seyi Tinubu and the director of NTA, next thing DSS pick him. According to the news, don't be me like they're all over. DSS pick him. And then today they say they see firearm and he's about to be charged. This doesn't make sense. If now no one more in Nigeria again, more no fit talk, more leave the country for now. Do you understand? But so all the people that their names were mentioned, Seyi Tinubu, I'm not going to rest my shoulder on you too much. You know why? Because in the initial recording by this guy, in the initial confession, this guy said he was told by somebody else that it was you that gave those instructions. So it's not like the guy had proof. According to him, it came after he was offered about 100 million naira that he should support Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and that he refused. Do you understand? And next thing, boom, he was kidnapped. And they beat him up. Evidence, they there. Evidence, they there. Say, true, black say they touch the guy. Person if he just come out, just going to make all these statements. Do you understand? So what is really going on? Then when I came back again, he say, black say they say he post something for his story. Say, black say he deny him. Do you understand? So what is really going on? Who is really doing this to this guy? If this guy they lie, do your investigation. Give us proof that the guy is lying. But at this point, it's looking as if it be like say small truth one day wait till the guy talk and they look for a way to silence him. Do you understand? Like I said, if I want pile of us, no, I don't pile of us in Nigeria. But you guys should let the guy go. Which kind of firearm did he possess? And how are you certain? That is if you saw it, because everything on allegedly. And news today, we never really see him yet. But if it's not clear, then, bro, again, I said this thing to somebody. I said, I don't know why. Now only negative news, now they see Seyi. I don't know why. I appreciate you say you want they put your mind inside politics, because we need the youth in politics. We need the youth in politics, Seyi, to be very honest. And like I said before, I don't talk about for my video before. Say, if this guy, if Seyi Tinubu say won't come up for governor for Lagos, I go support him. But that was then. I don't get double mind, bro. I don't get double mind. Yes. And if anything will happen, won't happen. You understand? Anything will happen, me, I go talk. Oh. I go talk regardless. So, Seyi, I beg, please. They don't say they get proof against you. They say your name come inside. So please use your power and use your office to do a proper investigation. Let's know what is happening to this guy. Please. 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 Your power pass my power. Yeah, now I get government. And now I get more government. Maybe in the next one, maybe I feel miss for something else. Now I get government. So I beg. Mona check what they do that guy. Thank you.
Oh boy, Seyi Tinubu, what did they happen? We dey hear say National Association of Nigerian Students President Atiku Isah is suing you for 32.8 billion for violation of his human rights. What is happening, gone? The news where they spread not sweet. We dey hear say the guy still did DSS custody. Is it true? Okay, fellow Nigerians, let me give you a breakdown of this case in case you don't know what it is. During the inauguration of Atiku Isah as the president of National Association of Nigerian Students, he made some allegations against Seyi Tinubu. He said that Minister of Youth, Deceiver Con Lagos, tell us Seyi Tinubu wants here. He said when he reached Lagos, they could offer 100 million to support Tinubu government. Say that Seyi Tinubu bring the money, now he to say he no take. He said when they go, they call Abduction, carry a mental bush, they beat him. They tell us they think they go sweep the matter enter under carpet because they get access to the Inspector General of Police. He said they would drag and go NTA, may go and now say don't renounce his position. Long story short, he say he not agree. You right? When the guy make that statement that they are talking and say Seyi Tinubu is going to deny this because the guy does not have proof that Seyi Tinubu is involved in this matter. And I said it that this guy can't have trouble for this thing where this guy they talk so. Whether he is correct or not, because the way Nigeria is designed, once you lay an allegation against a higher mind here, you not physically prove a problem good day, whether you did right or wrong. You know, so I was scared for the guy. All of a sudden, Seyi Tinubu that very day, I mean, at the next day, he come post for Instagram status saying he never see Atiku Isah before for a life. Say that just the one defame and spoil the name. Now, if you are a law-abiding first son of the country, you are somebody who respect the rule of law, and you believe that your name, that they lay false allegation against you, you will serve the guy to court. Then the court cannot decide whether the guy will go jail or the guy will pay fine. That's the due process. But before we know, we start to hear news say DSS don't pick up the guy. Nobody know where he is. They don't see the phone. They don't do National Association of Nigerian Students. PRO now announcer. Okay. As we they talk now, where the guy, they one day, and so they use the guy Facebook page. They post online and they apologize to Seyi Tinubu. Say, yeah, Minister for Youth, now like give and say that Seyi Tinubu, they offer her money. Well, where is this apology coming from? This guy with the yes DSS don't pick up. And they don't see the phone. So why is he apologizing from inside DSS custody? As I talk to you now, the guy lawyers don't file lawsuit according to the news on Sarah reporters. The lawyers don't file lawsuit. They are demanding 32.8 billion for the unlawful incarceration of the National Association of Nigerian Students President Atiku Isah. According to the news on Sarah reporters, he has been held in DSS custody for over 15 days and so. This country, the law says you cannot hold somebody for more than 48 hours without charging him to court. Till today, according to the news, they have not charged him to court. So they just hold on there. Because say he lay allegation on Seyi Tinubu. So my question again, Mr. Seyi Tinubu, what exactly is happening? Brotherly, if you want to be a politician, be a correct politician. Do it the right way. Gain ground so that you will have lovers and people will vote for you. Your name is always in the news for funny issues. You don't the day news pass your papa now. Now you will vote, sorry. Now you are give. Yeah, you the one INEC pronounced as the president. Why are you always in the news for funny issues? If you want to be in the news of good issues. Brother, maybe you had a job or a business before your father won election to become the president. What happened to that business? You can't active for politics, past people will not even get what can you get. Nobody's is supporting Atiku Isah for accusing you. We don't know if that is true or not, but if you feel it's a lie, follow due process. There's something called due process, and you, being the first son of the country, you should lead by example. I win now because this administration, like I said, all the worst past military. I win now in a country where people now just, because they have power, they can just manipulate the thing. What can they just pick somebody, go drop out somewhere? We don't know where it is. And the DSS, please answer us. Is this guy in your custody because his parents are looking for him? This Nigeria now, all of us, if we go back on money for now they still. Are we supposed to be afraid? And National Association of Nigerian Students said they are not talking. Now we're going to talk for now. All the students for this country now they talk. People are going to class normally. After now, you go saying I'm not president. Yeah, he get back or he get millions of Nigerian students behind him. We are the millions of Nigerian students. They're not talking. Everybody's keeping quiet. Classes are going on. Schools are going well. When I'm never ready for that, already we go no.